Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys are awesome, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and click the bell for more upcoming video. Thank you for watching. This universal joy. Look at it. It's really bad on my truck now. I need to change that one. It's not easy. The trick on is sand a little bit and grease. And sand this side too. And then put grease on it and tap it out this way and then put it the other one out too. Sand make it smaller, get all the rust out. This is grease, so it should be slippery. Go through that side. Okay, here we go. Turn it again. See how to move so easy now? Okay. Got it now. That's how you get it out. Now we can put the new one in. See it coming out now? All the way. Got it. Oh, that's the trick. Sandpaper and grease. Now you don't have to tap it from this side. All you have to do is pull it out. See? Here we go. They come out. There you go. Back. Let's go sand it and clean it. Okay, we're gonna put the new one in now. Now this yellow part, it matches this side. It's gonna go like that. So what we do is take out the needle bearing. This side first, right here, and this side too. Wow, got a lot of grease. Pull it out from that side. Okay. Anyway, this is how we put it in. Okay. Go like that, like this. Now you wanna hold on to it. Okay. Go in here. We're gonna tap that guy in, and then this side go on this side. Now they kind of like straight now, so we're gonna use the C clamp to push it in. Here we go. Make sure they're straight though. Kind of like tap it in with the hammer too. We need to, hold this side. Go tick, tick, tick. We might have to use the C clamp if they don't go in all the way. And there we go. Tap it in, it goes straighter. See? So use the socket. Tap it in. There we go. That much. And then tap this side. Now we can put that C clamp in here. And then tap the other side in. Go right there. I don't know, can you see it? Yeah. That's where the C clamp is. And then you just tap it in. There we go. See? And what I do is use the screwdriver. Tap that guy in. There we go. It's locked in place now. Right there. It's not gonna go nowhere. Okay. I cannot tap it in. I can use this one. Push it in all the way to the other side. And then we'll put some C clamp on it. It should be good. And that one. There we go. See, when you have the right tool, it's so easy. But this is a new one, so here we are. I think it's good. It's tight now. Now we need to put a C clamp in it. C clamp should be full. Got one in there, right there to lock it up. Right there. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, that's where the C clamp goes. Now we need to push it down. Okay, I'm just gonna tap with the hammer. There we go. And then use the screwdriver. Until you hear it snap. Make sure they're all the way in. It's not gonna go nowhere. Right there. Good. See how deep they even now? See how tight it is? And look, they go down a little bit on this side and the other side too. Mark the yellow piece on that thing. See that little square right there? So it's matched to here. Now we have to pull out the needle bearing first and then sneak them through. We're gonna go like that. Okay, that guy going there and this side have to be that side too. Now make sure they're straight, and we're gonna tap it into. Or you can use a C-clamp. Okay, we're gonna put C-clamp in it, and this should be done. This side first. So push it in. The slide. You hear the snap. Then we're gonna put on this side. Have to slide that thing on the other side first. Make sure the boot is connected. Put grease on it so it's going pretty easily. Right there. Kind of like push it in. See it? Right there. Make sure the snap. I push it in with something. Yep, it's not gonna go nowhere. It's all good. Done. That's how tight the new one is. That's good. It's done. Now I'm gonna put it in the car and dry it. Okay. I'll go ahead and mark this side. This should be like that. And this side. So I'm gonna put the bow in there first. To hold it. Maybe this one first. Washer on the other side and then out, just to hold them in place. It won't go in until you put it on top like that, and then just pull it down like that. See how they go in? Look at some trick right there. Put the bow though before they fall on your head. Now I can let go. Put the washer in and the knot in, and that's just tied it all the way up on one side, and then I put the extension on it, and it should be really tight. This one. Go. 1, 2. Right there. That's really tight. I twist my hand tightening. So I tie this one and the other side and this side, left side. So go opposite way. That's how I tie it. Get the front, and now we're gonna tie the back. Same thing. This is the back. This is the new U-joint. It's not rocking anymore, so it should be pretty good. I'm gonna test dry them, and it should be done. Same thing. I just tie it like this, and on the other side. And we'll do the same thing on the put the extension in it, and it should go pretty good. One, two. Do this one and do that one. That's it. Done. Yeah, that's how I tied it. I don't torque them, but I twist my hand tightening. It looks good now. That's a new one, so it should be done. I'll do the other one next time. All right. Have a good night.